coming up to the same big gorge, which is just amazing. There we go.
Wow.
There's the Animas River gorge.
And there's your locomotive up ahead.
There's our train going around. We are lucky enough to be here for this.
Yes, beautiful. And back up the river. Just gorgeous. For all the friends that might watch this on video, we wish you guys were with us. Incredible sight.
Look at what's up here.
I don't know if the 2D video is able to capture the hour.
Oh, that's good.
I've used up about half of it so
What's
far.
your way on your...
This is Dudley Do-Right to the Mounties.
I haven't seen anything like this.
Nell, here's that Snidely Whiplash.
Train's fairly long today. I think we're 10 cars, so it's a little hard to catch the engine, though. I think you can see him up there. Kind of going along fairly slowly right now. A little shot back down the canyon. I think this is the Animas River that we're looking at. Here we might be able to see a little bit more. Hold on a second. There we go.
Smell the pine.
Yeah. Yeah, we can't give you the smells here, but it's very fresh and a lot of pine forest smells and some of the cinder from a very fast flowing section of the stream down here below us. Here's another little beautiful stretch of the river. This is the high bridge. And as we get over the top of it, we'll be able to look back down the river there.